Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Since all my fruit trees have now come out of dormancy, I've done some reading and I have discovered that they need to be sprayed. You may ask, Moses, why are they being sprayed? Well, stay tuned and I'll tell you why. Spraying fruit trees after dormancy is a key part of preventing pests and diseases for the upcoming season. And here you're looking at my peach tree. I'm going to go ahead and spray it along with its sister peach tree and my 2-apple and nut tree with a solution of water and liquid copper. Late dormant stage spraying is just before the buds start to swell or show green. This is the ideal window for spraying your fruit trees. Once the buds open or break dormancy, you'll need to switch to more gentle sprays such as liquid copper. Some of the common sprays that you can use are dormant oil, which is also known as horticultural oil. It smothers overwintering insect eggs like scale, aphids, and mites. It must be applied before the buds leaf out. You can also use lime, sulfur, or copper spray. These sprays help control fungal and bacterial diseases like peach leaf curl, fire blight, and apple scab. Avoid using copper too often on soil-sensitive areas. Lastly, you can use neem oil. It's more of an organic option, but less effective in cold conditions. Spray when temperatures are above 40 degrees or 4 degrees Celsius and no freezing weather or rain is expected for 24 to 48 hours. Thorough coverage of branches, trunks, and twigs is crucial. Avoid spraying during bloom to protect the pollinators. You can purchase liquid copper off of Amazon relatively cheap. I also purchased a battery powered pump sprayer rather than using my handheld sprayer that I normally use to spray my plants with. I get better coverage with it, and it's easier to use. So we got all of the trees sprayed, and you may have noticed I also sprayed my pepper plants. Um, Down in South Florida, I did spray them with a insecticide for aphids and other pests like that. But since up here, I haven't done that. So I went ahead and used the liquid copper solution on them as well. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it and it brought a smile to your face. Don't forget to leave me a like button if you enjoyed it and a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food for my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.